Hi, it's Matt from Greenline. Today we're talking about loading, unloading, and inventory. We just gotten a load of trees in on our trailers, and we'll go ahead and take them off with our loader, set them on the ground. These trees all come in balled and burlap, and we're going to set them in these groups, and at a later point we'll go ahead and put them in rows like you see behind you, so that we can organize them in our nursery. As I mentioned, we bring in all balled and burlap material. Here it shows a good example of that. In this case it's a Juneberry. There's a wire basket in burlap in which it gets dug. It's tied up and it remains that way in our nursery until we bring it out to your site. It gets planted there that same way, and then at that time the burlap gets cut off the top of the basket. Once we got the tree on the ground in a group, and we know where it has to go in the nursery, we'll go ahead and pick it up with our loader and drive it down that aisle to the right spot. As you can see, we've planted a number of other trees already in that same day, and we'll go ahead and put it in a pre-dug hole of bark mulch. We call it heel-in mulch because we take the tree and actually heel it in by putting that bark mulch around the tree. It holds moisture, protects it. There'll be some fertilizer that we put on there while it sits in our nursery. We straighten the tree, use the forks to put that heel-in mulch around it, and eventually it'll get an irrigation line that gets put into the top, watered, and ready to go for the year.